Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin x to the power of 7, we can put into sin x to the power of 6 and sin x. Next, this one we can put into sin x squared to the power of 3 because number 2 with number 3 we have number 6. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. Now we have sin x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one going here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have negative in here, so I will put negative go to the left, and we have negative du equals to sin x dx. So this one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 4. Sin x dx we change by negative du. Next, we need to expand this one. This one multiplied by u to the power of 6, number 4, number 2, and number 1 in here. So we have like this. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we have the final answer in here. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.